की खूब और का बातें से टीवी लवन राशि तक Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Ka Jait Suzuki ka Shlem de ki thok asha ka kabaran hamau blay bar hakishna de thok hajwai ha ICR hamau lai bar hamau ngam kapin bana shapi baya ka Suzuki Avenis lapin mi yakirong ba thamai bar ba itna dur na ka benta jongpi bar do ik offers ba pair kum cashback hadu arpo jartenka ba ka exchange offer ka bashpo jartenka Pilar banyak kilangi gino ki model jumur ki company bar ka Jait Suzuki ka airu ya ka buksiar kum extend warranty ka bash hostnam ka door ka jam ka accessories on ai ka jacket ka banyo jatenka ka jing shakri e ka bar pusau kenta hasurok ba kum juru on ai ka helmet Pila banthi de ka scooty de ka bashim finance bele down payment da ka sut ka baren banyo ka jing tip ka bakhamnya skum bhaban telephone ha ki number prakhandai nyosau san r saw rr Ndu khandai not nriu ndu khandai san pra but pra khandai nyo sao san r sao not nriu
Start. Hi, my name is Dhyan. I'm the general manager of Jait Suzuki, and on behalf of Jait Suzuki, I'm excited to announce or to launch new colors that have come in Avenis and even in Access. So I would like to show and launch these new colors. So here we go. We have Avenis 4 different colors. It's a vibrant color, especially targeting the youths. We already have many different colors, but the company has come up with more vibrant colors, attracting the youth.
Hello everyone, I'm Clinton, the sales manager at Jait Suzuki, and we are very thrilled to introduce these new colors to everyone. And let me start with this one. So this is Champion Yellow. So this is a very new color, absolutely, and it's one of I think Suzuki is the only brand to come up with this color at the moment. And we have Sparkle Black. So this is a very new introduction as well to this particular variant. And we have Glacier White. So Glacier White is also a very new color, very brighter compared to the previous model that we had. And we have Mira Red. So Mira Red is also very new, very attractive color, very attractive for the youth, and it can go for both for ladies and for gents. Okay, and the best part of these variants is that they have been the entire graphics and everything has been changed. As you can see, they have been completely facelifted. Okay, from the color till the graphics, and each and everything has been changed. Okay, and here at Jait Suzuki we also offer 100% loan at any cost, and there's minimum down payment of 20 to 25,000. So you're most welcome to come anytime and have a look at the colors, take a test ride, and take a delivery home. And we would also like to introduce these new variants as well, which we have in Bergman and in Axis. So this is black and red, and in Axis we've got Sonoma Red. So Sonoma Red is a very unique color, very new and very attractive color, which can actually go for both for ladies and for gents, but preferably more for ladies because of its color and its uniqueness in its design. And both have Bluetooth options and all the latest functions and latest specifications. So we are very thrilled and very excited for you and for everybody to come at any time to our showroom, have a look at it, take a test ride, and take a delivery home. Thank you.
Kadai 5.2 liters. Dia kadai ban beli ni sabi kadai nang lima ni sabi. Kadai nang lima. Kadai nang lima. Dia dah bisa call tak banyak lu saya tak pernah ada apa. Yang nang ni kandung kombo. Nama rada sendiri ni yang kandung kombo. Dia dah fi kopi ni tu. Kopi ni fi tak ban on dulu. Sabi nang ni lagi loh. Ya, ini kadang-kadang kami dah cat semua ni. Nak bercat kan apa dia? Cat semua itu. So, nak bercat kan apa dia? Kan dia nak berconnect Bluetooth, dia dah berconnect Bluetooth pada apa dia? Jadi nak display yang kadang menu quality, and then icon by navigation, and then last parking location juga. Yang penting kan lah. Kita kayak kawan. Kadai jongka location bukan icon left and right. Dia nangka kadai pat kadai jongka last parking location part kali. Itu kan saya ikut tu last parking location itu. Kadai sudah kan betang ban on. Sudah kan betang ban on kan begitu dia kan.